Which prop was that, Ricky? Which prop did you have on it? The free wing? Okay.
Timer cleared.
The cool thing is, I'm flying fast, but it doesn't have to go fast.
Yeah, I saw when you watched it, it was like it almost floated on your hand.
Yeah, it was pretty much flying already, but it'll go slow.
You know, I've got a brand new Vampire to fly that maybe I'll have you test fly.
I can if you want. If I'm here, I'll do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's.
Here on Saturdays?
Not this, especially not this Saturday. I've got an event, but I'm usually here Sundays. Every now and then I come on Saturdays.
Yeah. How about weekdays?
This is rare. Normally I'm not here, but if I get some time off, I will.
Yeah.
But normally there's guys out here with B-17s,
Yep.
the bigger Hobby King B-17s,
Yep.
and I'll fly around with them. Because, you know, those aren't fast. Those just putt around.
Oh, yeah.
But this putts around right there with them, so.
Yeah. Yeah, I've got the Hobby King Vampire.
Yeah.
DH100.
Yeah, this is Hobby King too. This is their
Yeah, I thought I recognized
163. But yeah, it
I
does.
think I've played a number of times, actually.
It's, you know, it's not hard. It's super easy to fly.
No, it isn't that bad to see. It's
Yeah.
red.
Yeah.
That helps.
There's knife edge.
Nice, oh, that's nice.
There's no coupling either. That's just rudder only.
Yeah. Yeah, I was surprised that Sukhoi had so much coupling.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have expected it, but it does.
Time remaining.
The cool thing is you don't see the prop when it's spinning that fast, so it just looks like it's a jet. You can't even really tell.
Sounds like it too.
Yep.
It does.
It's a fun plane. This is just 3S too. It's 3S 2200.
Not the stock motor.
Yeah, everything's stock.
That's awesome.
Even the stock ESC.
I've been really happy with the Hobby King Vampire.
Yeah, and that's what this is. They're really good.
Yeah, they are. I think the Vampire is the one that's the least refined. I've had some Spitfires that are awesome.
Oh, the Spitfires are really good. Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah. And the what did I have? It was one of theirs. This is one of the only. There's another one. There was a Spitfire I had that I flew.
Yeah, I've got a Mark 24 and a Mark
T-28.
Oh, T-28.
Yeah.
Okay.
Theirs was pretty good. But yeah, this is a fun little plane.
I had their P-40.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
That was beautiful.
Yep, yep. And this one I have a smoke system set up for it. So
I thought I've seen that.
yeah, it goes in the back, so it looks like, I mean, there's a you could put a rocket in there too. I just don't like the rocket as much. But there's a little thing dangling out the back. Those are the leads for it. There's this little cartridge that Hobby King makes.
Really?
You just have to have an igniter. It lights it, and then it goes for about 3 minutes.
Wow.
And
How hot does it?
it gets pretty hot, but I wrap it in tape, so it doesn't affect the plane. Just wrap it in the painter's tape. And you couldn't really see it today because of the white in the back, but
Right.
I have different colors. I'll have either red or blue.
Yeah, I've seen the smoke on it.
Yeah.
Blew everybody's mind.
Yeah. Looks like an ESC failure or something, and then wait, it's still going. What the hell?
The sea failure is just a little puff.
Yep. Not 3 minutes.
That is very cool.
Fun plane.
It's very stable too.
Yeah, there's no gyro in there. It seems like it flies like one's in there.
That would be just a great track.
walk out there to land it.
Right.
Yep, sure. All right.
Time expired. Throttle cut.